ऑफ सक्सेस इन लाइफ। और इस पिक्चर में यहाँ पे टू डिफरेंट पैशन और कमिटमेंट। मेरा जो फार्मूला है वो इन 3 वर्ड्स का है और वो ही मुझको शेयर करना है आप लोगों के साथ। डिजायर सबसे पहला पॉइंट, पैशन सेकंड पॉइंट और कमिटमेंट मेरा थर्ड पॉइंट। और देन आफ्टर इन द एंड आई विल समराइज all the things related to the 3 words. Sir, next. आप लोगों के लिए 2 क्वेश्चन है एक्चुअली। सक्सेस जो है हर इंडिविजुअल के लिए डिफरेंट है उसकी डेफिनेशन। सो माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू, व्हाट डू यू थिंक बेसिकली अबाउट द सक्सेस? और बीइंग ए सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, हाउ डू यू फील दैट this is the definition of success? So you have to write basically this statement. अपनी नोटबुक में you have to write according to जो भी आपकी अपनी definition है। Next, how to be successful? Next, एक और की दबाओ। आपकी अपनी डेफिनेशन है सक्सेस की और मुझको अपनी डेफिनेशन पता है, मैं बाद में उसको समराइज करूंगा। बट अभी क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्यूरियोसिटी होगी थोड़ी बहुत कि मैं क्या डिफाइन करूंगा अबाउट दी सक्सेस। ठीक है सर, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। आपको थोड़ा सा अकॉर्डिंग टू दी डीपीसी, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज रिलेटेड टू दी डिजायर। व्हाट नेपोलियन हिल सेज, द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ऑल अचीवमेंट इज डिजायर। कीप दिस कॉन्स्टेंटली इन माइंड। Weak desire brings weak results, just as a small fire. So make a small amount of it. अगर desire small है तो equivalent to the fire. अगर आपके desire क्या है, इसको कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं, ये सिस्टमेटिक आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा। सेकंड, ब्रेड बर्ड विनर, एक क्लिक हो सर। Winners must have 2 things, definite goals and a burning desire to achieve them. So these are the 2 slides quotes basically I have taken in terms of the desire. Sir, next. So my question is to you that how many of you keep desire about to get something which you most like? आपने कभी सोचा है अपनी लाइफ? अभी सक्सेस जो है वो लाइफ से रिलेटेड मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा टाइटल था सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस इन लाइफ। तो जो डिजायर होगी वो सक्सेसफुल लाइफ से रिलेटेड होगी। तो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव थिंक अबाउट इट? डू यू हैव एनी डिजायर? क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर इंटरेस्टेड टू डू द इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री in computer science, in सर क्लिक करते रहो, वो आएगी, in electronics, civil, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे 3 ही ब्रांच है उन्हीं को कंसीडर किया है, और भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है। So how many of you are interested? और ये जो सवाल है ये जब आप +1 और +2 में थे तब के लिए ये सवाल है कि how many of you are interested to do the engineering degree in electronics, computer science, civil or any other branch of the sciences, right? So you are telling me about your interest कि भाई you were interested at that time for this degree. So how many of you right now, at the present, how many of you are interested to develop the websites, to develop the computer applications, apps, right? To do job in a reputed software company or any other hardware company, to start their own software and hardware business. तो साइट से रेस्पॉन्स कम आ रहा है भाई। ये कुछ सेलेक्टेड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं। When you were interested to do the engineering degree, then that time you have to think about these some objectives or maybe more than this. To start their e-commerce business, to start a new laboratory facilities for your state or country, for the benefit of your people. So these might be some objectives. और कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव से और भी ज्यादा हो सकते हैं आपके अकॉर्डिंग. These are limited according to the specialization of the engineering degree, right? So now my question is, how many of you are committed for the development of your society in terms of providing them food, water and houses? Second commitment. How many of you are committed for the development of education for all in terms of the technology? ठीक है, providing good technology. Now the next question. How many of you are committed for the development of your country in terms of providing technical facilities to the all people? Technical facilities, you understand, like this AC room, good chairs, this good leisure, all the technical things. Because of that, the life of the general people becomes comfortable. Right? So third question basically is related to that. Second question was related to the education. In our developed country, there are many problems related to the education. There are some people who are willing to get good education, but there is no good platform. So by using the technology, you can help them. There are so many people, they cannot afford good house, good water, food. There are number of problems related to that. But you want to provide them all these things or one of them. Are you committed for that? Any of these things? So what purpose is behind of this commitment? These three objectives. तो उनकी बैकग्राउंड में क्या कमिटमेंट का पर्पस क्या है? What is the reason behind of that? सिर्फ एक क्लिक करना. नहीं, इसको बैक करो. अब क्लिक एक ही करना. बस क्लिक कर दिया. अब एक क्लिक और करो. बस ये. Question is, what purpose is behind of the commitment? In the earlier slide you have seen I have written three objectives which cover all the problems of India. Food, water, proper houses, education and facilities to the जो भी हम लोग आम आदमी. Now the point is, what is the purpose behind of that commitment? That is emotional or financial? Emotional. What is the purpose behind of that commitment? That is emotional or financial? It depends. or both?
Sir, situation
Or you want to make the equal? Let us see. Your commitment purpose is for the development of for yourself,
society,
for the family, or for the society.
society.
Good. If your commitment is for yourself, then there are some points basically because of that you were committed for that purpose. That may be you need good amount of money, you need luxury life, you need big business. But if your commitment is for your family, there might be some point you want to give them a big house, you want to give them a gift of foreign tour or visits, you want to give them all comforts. And the third one, for society, if you are committed for that, you are committed to provide food, water, houses and other necessary things to the million people. Help the million poor peoples by technology to provide them good education. For society, you are committed to make the million people's life comfortable by the use of this great technology. So there are three things. Your commitment purpose is for yourself, or for the family, or for the society. Now the second part, that is about our interest and passion. We are interested for nice friends and family, food in 5-star hotels, entertainments, mobile phones, car, good houses, and luxury life. All comfortable. We want. Right? So, number of interest of a person might be 10, 20, 30, and for some people there is no limit of the interest. They want everything in their life. So, more than 30. So, does our interest are permanent? This question is to you.
No, sir.
No. Basically, these interests change with the time. When you were in school, in +1 and +2, your interests were different. And right now, your interest totally different. So interests basically change with respect to time and place. So interests are not permanent. What is your passion? A click course, bus. How to find it? You know that you were interested to do the engineering degree in a particular branch. I don't know you were committed at that time or no. But if your commitment was for the engineering degree, so that might be cover those 3 points. Right? Right?
Yes.
Or I am wrong?
Right.
उसके बाद इंटरेस्ट की बात की और इंटरेस्ट को डिफाइन किया कि वो आपके कितने भी हो सकते हैं, 10, 20, 30, 40, और उस टाइम पे आप इंटरेस्टेड थे अगर ओनली फॉर द इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री, ओनली फॉर द इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री, एंड देयर वाज नो एनी कमिटमेंट, तो दैट इंटरेस्ट कैन बी चेंज्ड. And now the question is about the passion. After the interest, my point is about the passion. How to find it? क्या पैशन को इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? So how to find this passion? Is it possible to find out?
Yes.
I know my interests. They might be 10, 20, 30. Write all the interest. And then see where you invest most of the time. Nobody can say here that he is or she is not interested in anything. Or he and she has no any interest. You just pick those interests and find out one of them or two of them where you are involved maximum. Give maximum time. That is basically your passion. So passion basically is hidden in your interest. So if someone asks to you that what is your passion? I am saying I am passionate, but what about? कहाँ पैशनेट है? मेरा पैशन क्या है भाई? आपका पैशन क्या है अभी? You just write down some interest and check where you are giving maximum time of your life. I am 100% sure that will be your passion. Sir, next. Which you like most from all of your interest, that is your taste. You are giving time to the technology, learning new things, or your interest were into the arts, sports, dance, and any other things. So which back then, sir, एक मिनट और बैक करो. आप क्लिक कर दो, बस एक क्लिक कर दो. आपका पेंटिंग का इंटरेस्ट था, आपका स्पोर्ट्स का था या डांसिंग का था, कुछ भी था. If you know your passion, you are the leader. If you know your interest, और उसकी थोड़ी सी भी सेंस अगर आपको आ जाए, तो आप इमीडिएटली उन सैकड़ों या हजारों लोगों में से एकदम बाहर आ जाओगे. सर नेक्स्ट. Your passion is hidden in your interest. What hold करके रखना सर. What passion gives you? If you know your interest, if you know your passion, so what do you think? What passion can give you? That is
confidence, satisfaction.
That is the confidence. Click करो सर. That is the confidence. Now this third part and last part of this presentation, that is the commitment. Now you know about the desire, you know about the passion, they are simplified, and now the third part is commitment. Hold करना sir. Are you committed for something in your life now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ask this question. Are you committed for something in your life?
Yes, sir.
If you are saying yes, it means either you are looking for yourself, your family, or the society.
Society.
You are committed for yourself to take all the comforts of the life, or to give all the comforts of your family, or to give the comforts of the all people of this society. You have to check it. If you are limited to yourself, then that commitment is very small. If you are limited to your family, that commitment is bigger than yourself, but is less than the society. But if you are committed for the society, to give the good education, food, water, etc., and technology to make their life comfortable, then this commitment is not comparable to any other things. And all the businessmen, great person, great people are committed to this society. They are not committed for himself or herself. They are not committed for the family. They are committed for the society, and this is the reason they grow. Are you working for that? If you are committed for something, my next question is, are you working for that commitment? Hold करके रखना sir. Is that your passion? You are committed for something. My next question was, are you committed for that? And the next question, is that your passion? You are committed for something. You are committed, suppose, for the engineering degree in computer science or electronics or in civil. Was it your passion to develop something? Now think about it. If your commitment is same to your passion, then just realize the spark of your energy. If commitment is different and you are working in some other direction, your passion is different, then realize the thing. So, sir, next. Do you know your passion and commitment? If you know your passion and commitment, now you can analyze. It is not important that I am a big motivational speaker or like that, but I am saying that I have identified something in myself and I have proved that things, and because of that I realize that I share such sentences or idea with other people. I have already shared some of part of it with my other क्लास, जो मेरी ये थे, ये जो लोग बैठे इनके साथ में शेयर कर चुका हूँ, ठीक है। बट मुझको लगा कि अगर मुझको ये स्पार्क मिलता है, उनमें से किसी को कुछ स्पार्क मिलता है, तो ये चीज सबके साथ क्यों ना शेयर हो, ठीक है। और आई गेट गुड रेस्पॉन्स। पैशन और कमिटमेंट, इफ यू नो, वेरी गुड. If your passion is different from the commitment, then what do you think what will happen? Failure. Clear? There is no doubt. If your commitment is something in other direction and your passion is in the other direction, 100% sure you cannot success into that one. And this is the only reason of failure in our life. Our passion was to make some painting, our commitment was to encourage some other things, but we are working in other direction. If passion is same to your commitment, then what do you think? Success. Then success will be in your hand, and you will be successful in your choice of career. So now the question is, which commitment is more important? That was for yourself, for the family, or for the society? कौन सा commitment ज़्यादा important है? For the society. If you are committed for the society, then no one can stop you to be a successful person. Right?
Yes.
No one can stop you. You give the facility to the people in terms of the good technology like Apple, like Dell. There are so many people. They are focused only for providing good technology to make the life, daily life comfortable. So they are growing because they thought about the society. They are committed for the betterment of the society. सर समरी में मुझको एक दो लाइन और बोलनी है तो फिर ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि great desire to achieve the life goals. Second, एबिलिटी टू आइडेंटिफाई द पैशन फ्रॉम इंटरेस्ट। आप जितने भी लोग हैं सबके कुछ ना कुछ इंटरेस्ट होंगे, उनमें से पैशन फाइंड आउट कर लो कि आपका पैशन क्या है। और फिर आपको किसी की जरूरत